Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be doing a bacon wrapped stuffed chicken breast, and it's very simple to do. First, we have here pretty good sized chicken breast. What we're going to do is we're going to take it and just slice it in half because we don't want it that thick. That's looks pretty good there. Then what you do is you want to pound it out, flatten it out a little bit. And go on and do the other side too. You just want to get it fairly thin. Then what you're going to do is, I'll take some barbecue seasoning, some rub, go ahead and do both sides. And then it is ready for whatever you want. Today we're going to be using some cheddar cheese. Put some cheddar in there. Use some mozzarella, a piece of turkey, and a piece of ham. That's simple. Then what we'll do is we'll take it and just roll it up. Like that. Then I like to take it and wrap one end. Put some bacon on like that. Then take it and wrap the bacon this way. Like so. And you can use toothpicks to hold it together. Usually this bacon will shrink up and hold it together fairly well. We'll put it on the grill. Now as far as the stuffing goes, as you see, we use some mozzarella, some cheddar, turkey, some ham, wrap it in bacon. You can use whatever you want. You can use anything from jalapenos to cream cheese to just whatever kind of you like to stuff your chicken breast with. So while I get the rest of these stuffed and made out, we'll get ready to put them on the grill. Okay, we got the grill heated up. Got it going about 225. Use some hickory pellets. We're just going to slow cook them for a couple hours. Come back, hit them with a little barbecue sauce, let them cook a little bit longer, and they should be ready. Let's get all these set on here. Alright, we will come back and check them in just a little while. Okay, they've been on here for a couple hours, so now we're just going to take it and just hit them with some barbecue sauce. Let them sit for just about maybe 10-15 more minutes, just enough for that sauce to sit. Kind of glaze over it. Use whatever kind of sauce you like. That is completely up to you and your taste. Flip them over. Do the same thing on the other side. Glaze them up good. We'll let them sit, like I said, for about 10 or 15 minutes. Put a little light glaze on them, and they should be ready to eat. Okay, we'll come back, check them in just a few minutes. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. Let's take them up, take them inside. cut one open and see what we got. They're looking really good. I bet they're going to be just as good as they look. Alright, let's take them in. Okay, we got them back inside now. Let's cut one open. Let's see how it looks. I don't know if you can see that or not. Got the cheese and the ham and the turkey wrapped in bacon with a barbecue sauce. That is going to be really good for supper tonight. So, try it out. Like I say, stuff it whatever you want to stuff it with. This is what we like to do. Whatever kind of barbecue sauce you like, whatever kind of seasoning you like. Just wanted to show you how we like to do it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe.